Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix to Mailchimp. This integration is incredibly useful as it allows you to sync your website visitors and customers directly with your email marketing platform, making it easier to build your audience and run targeted campaigns. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. This will take you to the Mailchimp homepage where you can access your account. Once you're there, log in using your username and password. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can sign in smoothly and access your dashboard. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Mailchimp dashboard. Look over to your left side menu and click on the option labeled Website. This section is specifically designed to help you integrate your website with Mailchimp, allowing you to capture leads and sync data automatically between the two platforms. Once you're in the website section, you'll see a button that says Connect Your Site. This is where the magic happens. Because Wix and Mailchimp are affiliated partners, the integration process is incredibly smooth and straightforward. The two platforms work together seamlessly, so you don't need to worry about complex technical setups or coding. Go ahead and click on Connect Your Site to begin the integration process. You'll now see a screen showing 3 easy steps to integrate Wix and Mailchimp together. This guided process ensures you don't miss anything important during the setup. Click on Continue to move forward. As you proceed, a pop-up menu will appear asking you to confirm the connection and grant the necessary permissions for the integration to work properly. In this pop-up, click on Agree and Add. By doing this, you're authorizing Mailchimp to connect with your Wix website and sync your audience data. This step finalizes the integration, and once it's complete, your Wix site will be connected to your Mailchimp account, allowing you to automatically add subscribers, track visitor behavior, and create more effective email campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully connected Wix to Mailchimp, giving you a powerful tool to grow your email list and engage with your audience more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.